Well guys, it finally come in. My stunt cage for my Honda GROM. Let's open it up. Check it out. All the way from Thailand. Bolts, washers, no instructions. It's our 12 o'clock bar and our engine cage with the rear pegs. We're gonna start with this 12 o'clock bar first. So, come with the hardware but no instructions. First thing you're gonna do is take the seat off. And you got your existing, there's 4 bolts in here that holds, if you got a fender eliminator on there, it'll be that, or it will be where you had the regular stock fender. We're gonna take them bolts out real quick. They're gonna be a 12 millimeter. On this back one, you wanna make sure you don't drop it down the frame tube. So we're gonna be careful when we take out the back two out. And boom, that brings out that old place, or that old fender spot. Remember, be careful getting this bolt out so you don't drop it in the frame. This kit comes with bolts, the rear. Okay, back to installation. If you have some washers laying around at home, it would be best to put a washer on these bolts and before the nut, and probably go get some lock nuts. These come with just regular nuts, but we're gonna go ahead and install it with what we got. So I've already got 2 sitting in there to try to hold it up. So grab another set of nuts here. And then we'll put this one in the front. I need to find another washer and another 2 washers. So we got nut washer. Like I said, if y'all can have washers and nuts, I would probably replace the bolts that come with some lock nuts and put some washers on there. That's just me. You don't have to, but that's what I'm gonna do. Put the last bolt in. All right, all my bolts are started. Now I'm just gonna run them down. Let's see here. Yep, 12 millimeter on the nut. So, gonna hit here, hit here. There. Now we're just gonna tighten them down. There is no torque specs on them, so we're just gonna go until we feel comfortable with hands. Yeah, I strongly recommend putting lock nuts on these. It didn't even come with lock washers, so yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. That's one thing I found that I don't like so far about it. I figured for $500 and something it would come with, you know, some lock washers or something. Should have broke out some air tools. All right, last part. is to put the pegs on this thing. So let's figure out how that goes. Here's our pegs. Screw the ends of them off. I'm guessing the washers go first. See, they didn't even come with washers on the back side. There. Okay, maybe the washers don't go on the inside. Okay, the bolts that come with this kit. The head on the bolt is going to be a 17 millimeter, and so is the nut. Found a lock nut for this thing, or a lock washer. Like I said, I really recommend putting lock nuts on these things. We're gonna tighten it down. Tighten it down. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, guys. That's it for the 12 o'clock bar, guys. You put the caps on the pegs, and that's it for that part. If you guys like the video, please go down and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video.